Welcome to NATH Global News, bringing you the latest updates from South Sudan and around the world. And tonight's top story, the trial of suspended First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar has been adjourned due to a power outage in Juba City. In Juba City, today, the trial of South Sudan's suspended First Vice President Dr. Riek Machar and his 7 co-accused has been temporarily suspended due to a power outage. The interruption occurred during Wednesday's court session, forcing the panel of judges to adjourn the hearing until Friday. Justice Stephen Simon, a member of the judicial panel, announced the decision, saying, because of the lack of electricity, the session is adjourned to next Friday. Inside the courtroom, members of the public were seen sweating due to the intense heat before the announcement was made. This was the 20th court session, where judges were expected to cross-examine the lead investigator, Major General Basilio Thomas Wani. Earlier this week, prosecutors had requested the court to protect the identities of key witnesses who are expected to testify against Dr. Riek Machar and the others. They also asked for a court interpreter to assist during testimony. Presiding Judge Dr. James Alala Deng had earlier postponed the hearing to Wednesday to allow a review of the investigator's findings before re-cross-examination.com. Dr. Riek Machar, age 72, and his co-accused are facing serious charges including treason, crimes against humanity, mass murder, terrorism, and destruction of property. In your view, what could be the... Many people are watching this case closely. Peace and unity in the country? Political impact of this ongoing trial on... These allegations stem from a March 2025 attack on an army base in Nasir, which reportedly resulted in the deaths of Majur and dozens of soldiers. We'd love to hear from you. What's your opinion on how the judiciary should manage cases like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation respectful and constructive. Your voice matters, where truth meets the people. That's all for now from NAF's Global News. We'll continue to follow this developing story and bring you updates as they unfold. For more news and analysis, stay connected.
Welcome to the heart of Africa, where culture meets creativity.
Join us on NATH Global News, your ultimate channel for inspiring news and stories across the continent.
From the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia,
to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature, this is Africa Reimagined.
Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge and pride.
Uniting Africa through stories and culture.
Subscribe now to NATH Global News. Share Africa's culture with the world.